Hi there. This is problem 7 of homework 7. In the first question, we need to find the expected value of zt. In the first formula we got is right here, and we know that the n1 and n2 and theta are all independent, so we can make this formula apart, and so we get the mean of n1 times the mean of cosine, and plus the mean of n2 times mean of a sine function right here. And we know the n1 and n2 are Weissen's stationary process, so we have their means are must be constant. So we use the eta 1 and eta 2 to denote the mean of them. And so we have we do the integral right here, and we know the theta is uniform between 0 and between 0 and from 0 to 2 pi. So we do the integral, and we know that for the sinus function, the integral from 0 to 2 pi must be 0. So we have their sum is 0. And in the second question, we need to find the RZ. Then we prove it. The Z, we try to prove it whether the Z is WSS. So we get the exact value of ZT1 times ZT2, and we got this gigantic formula here, and and this is the integral part, and especially we need to take a look closer, and because this is extremely long. So for the integral part, for the integral of a cosine function, this again should be 0, and the same with this 3, and for this part, the final should remain the cosine omega c tau. In this part, it should remain the minus sine omega c tau, but this one is plus this remain should be 0. So we get the final result is actually they both have a cosine omega c tau. So the final result is half of r in 1 plus r in 2 times cosine omega c tau, and that's the RZ. So we know the ZT is WSS, and we put 0 to this formula here, so we get the half of r in 1 0 tau at 0, and r in 2 times 1, and that's the mean of n1 square and the mean of a2 square.